We prepare these points for your reflection. The first point is, how could we spread the light of Jesus in a world of competing lights? Paano natin maibabahagi ang liwanag ni Kristo sa mundong napakaraming liwanag na nagkokompetisyon? The second question is, how could we connect change of heart to an active following of Jesus? Papaano natin maiuugnay ang pagbabago ng puso sa aktibong pagsunod kay Jesus? O God, you created everything through your word. As we contemplate you in the scriptures proclaimed and heard today, renew us as your children and as brothers and sisters to one another. Amen. My friends, thank you for joining me this morning. May the Lord present in the scriptures make your heart burn for love of Him and move you to love others. Until next Sunday, only here on The Word Exposed.
Purihin siya at ating ibunyag. Awitan siya. Pagliligtas ng Diyos na sa krus ni Jesus, ang siyang sa mundo'y tumubos. Langit at lupa siya'y papurihan, araw at tala siya'y parangalan. Ating pagdiwang pag-ibig ng Diyos.